Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm at St Monans in the Kingdom of Fife, and I'm at the castle ruins just south of St Monans. It's about a 10-15 minute walk from the actual harbour itself, which is on the other side of those ruins. So I'm going to get a few images done here, then move on to the next location within St Monans, and it should be quite spectacular because look at that for a sunset. Absolutely beautiful. Time it right on the next location, it's going to be epic. Hi guys, so I'm now at St Monans Church. Brilliant little setup here. I've got the reflection in water. Church itself, absolutely brilliant. I'll put a polarizer on as well, just to see through that water just a touch. Get a nice reflection on that water. I'll put all my images up at the end as usual. If you watch my channel, you see I'll do a little montage. But yeah, it's brilliant. Let me show you about. So over there, that's where the zigzag pier is. And you can just about see the windmill in the distance. So I'm going to nip to the windmill next, come back to the pier, and hopefully that sun will drop just a tiny bit. It's got a nice reflection on the side of the pier, but you'll see me when I get there. Anyway, let's get set up. I'll take some pictures, and yeah, see you next one. Hi guys, and welcome back. So I am at a very iconic location, St Monans Breakwater Pier. Fantastic. The only thing with this location is planning. You have got to plan this to a T. You have got to get your timing right. That is my dog barking in the distance. Well, can't you tell I'm doing a vlog? So anyway, I'll start again. Timing. Your timing has got to be right. You have got to time the tide, the sunset, and if it all comes together, that is going to be spot on. So here's a picture I got earlier. Hi guys, so welcome back to the next location in St Monans. I hope you can hear me. I'm shouting now, it's a bit windy. Really do need to invest in a microphone or something. But I've just been up the top, grabbing some last minute sunset shots of the windmill. Now, the Kingdom of Fife, there is absolutely stacks here I can do. So in the comments below, make a comment what you'd like to see in my next vlogs. Would you like me to delve into the settings, the compositions, my equipment I'm using? You tell me and I'll do a shout out for you. So why I do landscape photography locations is because, as I said before, it's all about getting out there, showing you these locations. Hopefully, I say hopefully, I'll get back into the nomad lifestyle, sleeping in my car, getting up to the Highlands for some glorious sunrises and sunsets. The Kingdom of Fife really is spectacular, and I'll show you more of it. enjoy the images, guys. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Like, subscribe, see you in the future. Bye for now.